Listen, have you ever worked day and night, poured your heart into something, and still watched someone else go viral with a tiny, simple clip? It hurts, right? You start asking yourself, why not me? What am I doing wrong? Here's the truth. It's not that you're lazy or unlucky. You might be working harder than most. But hard work alone doesn't make something go viral. First thing to understand, people connect with emotion, not effort. You can spend 10 hours polishing a video, but if it doesn't make people feel anything, laugh, relate, or get goosebumps, it's just another scroll on their feed. Second thing, timing and trends matter. The online world runs on momentum. If your content rides a trend, it catches a wave. If it's out of sync, even the best video will struggle. Third thing, presentation. People decide in the first 3 seconds whether they'll watch or swipe away. Your thumbnail, your title, your opening line, that's your doorway. If the doorway is weak, nobody steps inside. Let me tell you a quick story. I know a guy who was brilliant and hardworking. He made long, detailed videos that should have blown up, but they didn't. Then one day, he made a 20-second clip with a perfect hook. Simple, honest, relatable. That one clip changed everything. 500,000 views in a day. So what's the difference between someone who stays invisible and someone who goes viral? It's not effort, it's strategy. If you want a real shot at going viral, focus on 3 things: connection, timing, presentation. Connection builds emotion, timing gives you momentum, presentation gets the first click. And don't forget consistency. Consistency builds trust, and it trains the algorithm to notice you. So don't give up. Don't think your effort is wasted. Keep improving how you start a video, how you package it, and how you put it in front of people. Because maybe your next video is the one that changes everything.